Hi there. It's a super exciting time because you're about to design your very first mockup. I'll begin by introducing you to some of the foundational elements of any mockup. Elements are the building blocks of the mockups you'll create during this certificate program and in the real world. On a basic level, the term visual design in UX refers to how a product or technology appears to the user. In the next few videos, we're going to dive into three foundational elements of visual design: typography, color, and iconography. The first foundational element, typography, refers to the use of text and fonts. Typography can help add hierarchy to your designs, make text easy to read, and add visual style. Think about the letters spelled out on the Wizard of Oz movie cover. The larger font size of the title indicates that information is the most important, and the font itself alludes to how playful the movie is. The second foundational element is color. Think about the messages that certain colors communicate, how people understand color, and how colors mix, match, or contrast with one another. Did you ever learn about the color wheel in art class? Well, it comes in pretty handy for UX designers too, because it helps us find colors that are harmonious or complementary. The third foundational element, iconography, refers to the images or symbols associated with a subject or idea. Think about the power icon on your computer. It's really just a circle with a line, but most people know that this icon means power on a tech device. There are lots of other foundational elements, like size, shape, and direction. We won't cover those in detail at this point, but you can learn more about them in the readings and through your own exploration. I'm sure you're excited to get started, and you might think that visual design is the most important aspect of the product, but appearance isn't everything. It's a UX designer's job to ensure that any decisions about a product's visual design still consider usability the top priority. In the next video, we will dive into the first of these elements, typography. See you soon.